All right, this is Miss Hoffman here, and we are going to go over some problems using angles. So our first one is, it says angle RQT is a straight angle. What are measures of angle RQS and the measure of angle TQS? And in case you guys can't read what those numbers say, the first angle is 6x plus 20. So that's 6x plus 20. And the second one is 2x plus 4. Can you solve those angles? Alright, so in solving these, I know a straight angle is how many degrees is in that? There's 180 degrees. Now I know that those two angles make it up, so if we add them together, so 6x plus 20 plus 2x plus 4. On my left-hand side, I can combine my like terms, so 6x plus 2x is 8x plus 24. Subtract 24 from both sides. So I get 8x equals 156. Divide by 8 to get an x value of 19.5. Alright, so that's only a part of our answer because it does not ask us to stop solving at x. It asks us what are the angle measures of RQS and TQS. So using our x value of 19.5, we are going to go back up to our starting step, our equations, and we're going to plug it in. So my first equation here on the left is the 6x plus 20. And I know what x is, so in the place of x, I'm going to put 19.5. And we're going to solve for what that angle equals. So 6 times 19.5 is 117. 117 plus 20 gives me an angle measure of 137. 137 degrees. We're going to do the same thing over on the other side, but now I have 2 times my 19.5. So 19.5 plus 4. So 2 times 19.5 gives you an angle of 39. 39 plus 4 gives me an angle degrees of 43. And that is how you solve that one. Alright, our next equation is dealing with more angles and finding. So this one has an interior angle, which is on the inside of my triangle, which is y. And the next one has one on the exterior, which is x. So there's a couple ways we can solve for these. But go through and pick which ones you guys want to solve for first, and then solve for the other one. So the first one I would solve for, it doesn't matter, but I would probably solve for this one first, because I know angle x and angle 57 make a straight line, and we just went over how many degrees is in a straight line, 180. So to solve for x, I would have said x plus 57 equals 180. I would subtract my 57 from both sides to get an x degree of 123. So this is 123. The next thing I would solve would be my triangle. Now, just like a straight line, a triangle has its own degrees inside of it, and the inside of a triangle is always going to be 180 as well. So I would have added up all of my angles on the inside. So y plus 62 plus 57. Combine my like terms. So 62 plus 57 is 119. Subtract from y to get an angle degree of 61. And our last one here is use the triangle below to answer the question, what is the measure of angle ABC? So solve, that's all you need to find is angle ABC. Now you guys could solve this one like we did the last one, where you search for this angle first, because those two angles make a straight line. Or, because I'm searching for angle B, because B is in the middle. So if you do that, I would say I would take 180 minus my 130 to get an angle degree of 50. Then combine all of my angles on the inside of my triangle and set them equal to 180. Combine my like terms. Solve to get an x value of 75. So my answer would be D. And there's more than one way to do that, so some of you guys might have had a different way but got the same answer.